Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be talking about why backtesting is basically useless, why you shouldn't be doing backtesting. Okay, so backtesting is mostly designed for the people that learn something. Okay, they learn some stuff from a course or they learn from YouTube videos and they have some sort of strategy um, or system, which most people even don't have, but in this case that they do have it, they want to see how it works. Okay, so they start backtesting. Okay, and backtesting is not real live market conditions. Okay, this is past, this is history, and although you could see maybe how the strategy works out for an algorithm, that I would maybe agree with. Okay, because a robot in the end has no has no emotion. But for a person that is a manual retail trader, starting to backtest is very tough. Okay, because it is not real. Because there's a big difference between looking at history and reacting to certain strategy that has happened already, like market conditions that has happened already in the past, um, and comparing that with an actual live market condition. Okay, because you might be seeing the same patterns or same zones or whatever you're looking for, but with current emotions of the live market of putting money on the line, buying or selling, um, loss or win, this is very different. Okay, so you need to understand that, and the only way to know if a strategy is going to work with your emotional intelligence, let's call it, is to only forward test. And what is forward testing? That is just live trading. Okay, so if you have a strategy or a way of trading, just start trading. Okay, don't start looking in the past to gain confidence or to see if it actually works or whatever. Okay, that's all rubbish. It doesn't work like that. The only way backtesting would work is if you have a sort of strategy that you want to convert into an algorithm and you want to see if that algorithm actually works. Then I can agree because there's no emotion attached to it. Zero, because it's a robot. But for manual trading, don't backtest. Start forward testing. Okay, I'm not gonna be showing anything on the chart. I'm just gonna be talking. Okay, start forward testing. Start live. Okay, maybe I'll take some stuff. Okay, start live trading, forward testing, or let's call it forward testing. Forward testing. Okay, use 0.01 lots if you need to, just to see if the strategy works. Okay, and there's also a big difference between trading 0.01 lots and 1 lot, or 10 lots, or 50 lots, okay? Because there's more emotion. Every time there's more emotion because there's more money on the line. So backtesting doesn't work mainly because of the emotion, okay? Backtesting doesn't work mainly because of emotions, okay? The trader reacts differently when the market is not live and there is no real money on the line. Okay, this is key, guys. Okay, it's all about money in the end. You know, it's all about money. And when you're backtesting, there's no motion, there's no money on the line, so things might be going amazing. And then when you do the exact same thing, well, you think you're doing the exact same thing when the market is live, and all of a sudden you see sometimes it's not working. Okay, and that's because it's live. Okay, and there's real money on the line. Okay, so this is what you gotta understand. You gotta stop backtesting. It doesn't do anything. It's only good for people that are creating algorithms and they're gonna trade through an algorithm that they basically not gonna be manual trading. Okay, this is the only way that backtesting could be helpful to see if this strategy actually worked. But when there's emotion on the line, I know I said this already 50 times in this video, and it's a short video, so I probably said it like lots of times. But it's very important. Okay, you need to start forward testing. Start live trading with the minimum lot size possible if needed. Okay, this is the only way that you're going to see if a strategy actually works, and if it's a lack of strategy or if it's a lack of emotion that is stopping it from being profitable and consistent. Okay, that's the only way. So my advice to you is stop back testing, start forward testing. Okay, start trading the present, not the past. Okay, the past is not going to make you money. Okay, it's easy to say like, look how much money we could have made, or look how much money we could have lost, or look how much, I don't know what else to say. This is just the past. It doesn't count. It's done. It's over. Okay, so start forward testing, start journaling your trades, and see where it lacks. If it's in strategy, if it's in your emotion, if it's your psychology, if it's your zone, if it's your entry, whatever. Okay, but start forward testing, stop backtesting, and start live trading with the minimum lot size possible, and you'll see if you're profitable or not. Okay, so hope you like this. If you have any more questions about this topic, let us know in the comment section down below, or send us a message on Instagram. We'll get back to you and help you out as much as we can. Okay, so hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.